Morning sunshine. By the way, Zahra spoiled surprise for the cake.
She didn't spoil it entirely.
Hey neighbors, what are you doing? She's still around the back. We're carrying Leila and Ava to the doctor today for their 2-year visit. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the neighborhood.
Happy Mother's Day!
So happy Mother's Day, all the mothers. Big up yourself. And mothers, the daughters, the sisters, the nieces, the other relatives and friends.
Grandmas.
Yes, the grandmas. Happy Mother's Day. Say hi.
Good job with this here,
Hi
Daddy.
neighbors. How is grandma do it?
Oh, I thought it was you who combed it. I asked Edie if it's you come over here and she said yes.
No, it's grandma. Come.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Good job, baby.
What a good girl.
Wow. Good job, baby. Hey, baby, look at me.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good, sweetie, sweetie.
Clap yourself, now. Clap yourself.
Clap yourself, Emma.
Clap, clap, clap.
What's work? No joke.
Don't laugh.
It's not only but work, oh my
You don't know
gosh.
what coming with next. The doctor gave us goodies, a goodie bag.
Us?
You're right to ask us because there's nothing in there for me. So let me show you what's going on. There's this
Puzzle?
puzzle thing for Leila and Zahra.
Yes, it's a double puzzle actually.
Glow in the dark. Wow.
Yeah, that's fun. They're gonna love that.
Yeah.
They're gonna enjoy this because they love putting puzzles together.
Right. But then everything else in the bag is apparently, well, no.
No, there is this.
She threw this in there
She
after
always
the
gives us these little goodies for the babies, for the little ones.
fact. Alright. But everything else in the bag. So the children get something and Tina has received.
Tina is right because it does say
Oh, it says Mrs. Reed.
Mrs. Reed. So it's like she was planning. It was planned.
Alright, here it now. I was the one who set the appointment, you know, so really and truly it's as if it is coming from me partly. It was because I set stuff the weekend before Mother's Day why it's playing out this way, so I should get some credit, right?
Yes, well, and I'm sure you never thought about it that way, but what a beautiful card this is.
Just for your Mother's Day.
This is beautiful. This is so heartfelt. So sweet of her. No, but that won't mix. It's very
I
personal.
wish I got one.
Come on. What's mine is yours. Always. Except when I don't want to share. But I will share. I will share what's in here because it will be no fun enjoying all of this by my lonesome. Because would you look at this basket? It has sparkling wine, it has nuts, it has chocolate, caramel chocolate. Ooh. And then would you look at this? There's an energy bar in there, a granola bar, you know, and then there's all of this nice Bath and Body Works scented stuff, you know, with the coconut oil kind of whatever. So it's definitely, yeah, it definitely makes for a lovely, you know, together mommy and daddy gift.
So neighbors, all the mothers in the neighborhood, we're sharing this goodie bag with you. And that you're appreciated, even if you're not told, you're appreciated. What your role is, it's very important, so keep on doing it, alright? Let's get moving.
Keep on doing what you're doing, mommy. You make dreams come true, mommy. Happy Mother's Day, y'all.
Hi neighbors, what are you doing? It's Saturday, day before Mother's Day, and Tina has the day off, so after getting the children ready this morning, she won't have them for the rest of the day. Hannah is at class and I have Leila, Zahra, Eden, and Ava. Say hi. Somebody on the back sleeping, Ava sleeping. So our first stop today is Price and Marte to get something for Tina for tomorrow. We're going to get mommy cake, okay? For Mother's Day, right? You okay with that? Huh? Neighbors, I want you to pay attention to this interaction with Zahra. Just make note of it, because a little later on, you'll see exactly why.
Everybody's gonna eat it.
Everybody can get a piece, yes? Alright? So ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
And something else.
Yeah, we're going to get something else, but we need to get this first, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
That's
Which one do you want for mommy? This one up here? Chocolate mocha with alcohol? Sure should like that. This one? It's the same thing, baby. Which one you want, Zahra? This one? It's a pretty one. They also have cheesecake. I remember the last time we were here with the twins. Tina said that she wanted to she wants to try this cheesecake one. Assorted one.
Okay, I'm looking at this other assorted cheesecake. I'll take that for my birthday.
This one?
Yes, or my just because day.
What do you call it?
It's a sampler cheesecake.
Atlanta Cheesecake Company. Or different.
Sampler cheesecake. It's have different types of
This one you want?
things.
We're going to get this one, okay? Alright?
That one is sliced already.
It's nice already. It's different types, alright? Mom would like this one.
I like this half. I like this half.
Alright, you like it. We're getting this one, okay, baby? Yes, I'll put it down.
Juice one,
Little bread.
juice two.
Bye bye. Ow. Bye bye. Nobody don't care about me. They no business about me. So.
Yeah, from them.
Edie.
Edie, come for juice,
It's
baby.
a juice. There's a juice. Who for
Come
that?
for juice, Edie, come.
That's what I said.
Eden.
Edie. Come with auntie.
Baby,
Edie.
come for juice.
Baby.
I don't know why you said that. You should have
Ah. Edie, stay with auntie now. I can't even go price once a while ago, you know, and if it's excitement.
with the four of them.
Yeah.
Come.
My baby.
Alright. Alright, you can come with me. Alright, what was supposed to happen was I was supposed to leave them at their auntie's house, my mother's house, and run up to Hannah's class because I have a pizza for them. Because they have a marathon session today because Maths is next week. But Eden didn't want to leave that day. She loved her parents, she loved being around her parents, so I'm heading to Hannah's class now. Enough little things to do. So I'm heading to Hannah's class now. And then from there, move on, drop off the pizza, and then go to Sangster's or Kingston bookshop. You'll see why. I'll buy some gas and then finish up the day. But Tina's at home relaxing. We're watching some TV, you know, taking her day off. And so it's like a pre-Mother's Day relaxation, you know? No disturbance, no noise, peace. Yeah. You're out there waiting?
I just came. Class is up there. Thank you.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Bye. And for those of us who live in Jamaica, you'd know that the Riverton City dump, where we dump our garbage for most of the corporate area, is on fire. And that's it over there. The smoke reaches as far as Portmore and wherever else. So It's still not out, but it's better. But the entire place was polluted. As far back as Portmore, and I imagine even Washington Boulevard, Rainy Park, etc. So pizza delivered. Next stop, gas station. So neighbors, you know me. I said to the pump attendant after ordering my gas, "Sir, can I use this thing to clean my windshield?" And he said, "You know, go right ahead." So I jump out, wiping down the windshield, cleaning from the bottom. When that is a mistake. The time they were going on, all pretending to be a windshield wiper, until somebody I know call out to me. So I just wrapped up quick before anybody else even saw me. But anyway, after this, we had the big mission left to do, the art part of the mission. Leila and Zahra, you helping Auntie to build the thing for Mommy? Mommy not here, we're just talking about her. You should get to go and see Mommy, alright? You tell her that you know. Yes, Mommy's at home. Seeing this is to see Mommy. You're going to help to Leila? So Auntie's in charge, alright? What's the plan? I see she already have her heart cut out here.
I'm going to paste the heart on that.
Okay.
You seen it?
No, not yet. Honestly, I had something much simpler in mind, but you know, she's also very arty, or artsy, whatever the word is. So she couldn't help, but she couldn't keep it simple.
I'm going to glue this onto this.
Oh.
And then you close it.
So close with it.
So when she open it, it will open up.
Oh. Seriously, I'm amazed. And then you put the hands here. So what we put on this, and here's the Happy Mother's Day. Yo, sick. That's sick. That's sick here. That mad.
And we have a card.
You have a card?
Two cards.
You're going to write in the card?
No.
Where did you get the card from?
Where you got it? You made it at school?
No. Teacher made it.
Teacher made it? You helped teacher to make the card?
No.
Alright, let us work with the fact.
Just she. Only she.
Alright, so you Alright, so you will do something on it later so you can say you helped make it, okay? But you're going to help with this one. You're going to put paint on your hands and then stamp it down on this one. Alright? Yes, baby? Huh? You boo-boo? Alright. Alright, come guys. Come put on your touch on it.
Here.
So look what you're going to do now. Just color in here, and so you're going to decorate it. Who wants to go? So when you color in the star, look what's going to happen right here. A star.
Start off.
Right.
No, do the circle.
You want to do this?
Try the circle. So you color, you try. Color. Alright, let us see how that turns out now. Very good, right.
I will try.
Try a different color now. A different color.
I want to do this color.
That's what, black?
Yeah. That is.
No, that's gray. No, gray not going to show properly. Try this one, try this color.
Ava, why the mark on your mom?
You try to color this. Color this one now. Color in all the white space, okay? Alright.
Nice.
Beautiful. Okay. Ava, your turn now. Come. Let's give Ava some space now. Ava going to color one. Ava, you have to color on this, baby. Color on, come over here. What you have in your hand? Marker? Oh no. Alright, you know what? Fine. Color this one. So Auntie here, color this one. Right here, yes. Go.
Yeah.
Alright. Edie, your turn now. Edie, your turn.
Like that.
Okay, come Edie. Alright, Edie, see Auntie giving her one right this star right here. Use the purple one, Edie. Use the purple one. Color. Come. Let's color this one. Color this one.
Who colored them before?
Edie, get in position, you know. Get our angles right.
Yeah.
Color. You missed, Edie. This one. Yes, color in there. Color.
One more.
Color some more. You can't bother the
She want to use it two of them one time.
Okay, you want to do a special design? Alright.
Never really work out.
Oh.
So now it's time, give me this. No, give me that.
No.
So now it's time to put your handprints on, right? Yes, you're going to do just that. Again to. No, I don't want to do something. Every time God is blessing you, you have to let go of what you have. That's the word. You see? She can't get her blessing because she's holding on to what come. Alright then, Edie, put out your hands like this. Edie going to go first then. Drop your crayon. Let go of what you have. Right. Let go of anything that you're holding on to. Allow God to move. Edie, put your hands up, baby. Hold your hands.
Do you want?
Like it's all of your thing, right? Ava, you put out your hand now. Next hand, Edie, next hand. Alright. Quick, right? Quick, before you mess up your touch your clothes, that's fancy boy for you. Alright, Edie. Let me see if this is covered properly. Alright, Edie, go. Come, Edie, come now. Come, Edie, come. Come. Put your hands like this, ready? 1. Stretch out your hands like this. Lay your hands like this. Very good. And press down. Yay. No, don't touch. Alright, yay. Right. Alright, Eva, your turn, okay?
Yeah.
And beside every orange, every green, there's an orange. Just don't wait to the PMP headquarters, okay? Alright. Ready, Leila? Just put your hands down like this and leave it. Alright. Very good, Leila. Take it up now. Morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
By the way, Zahra spoiled the surprise for the cake.
She didn't spoil it entirely.
She spoiled it. So we did the exercise this morning, presenting the thing to Tina. And I'm getting them ready for church. I'm just hearing now, after I thought I got the cake surprise, I left it at my mother's house and I pick it up and surprise her. She's like, oh, Zahra. After I bathed Zahra this morning, Zahra come out and just said to her, what about the cake?
So I was surprised at that point because I didn't expect that there was anything else left to the Mother's Day gifts and surprise. So when I inquired, what cake? Zahra volunteered very chirpily, very happily, the cake at Grandma Norma's house. To which I did exactly this. I burst out laughing because I know that she would have been drilled and she would have been told that it is supposed to be a secret, and God bless her, she don't keep secrets from her mama. That's right. So as I was listening to that song that you were playing for me a while ago, it said something about when God made you my mother, He chose you above all the others. Something about
You
to
got
be
the-
my hero,
Wow, you just
and to be everything I want to be. What?
Well, when God made me my mother, He knew what I'd need.
Yes.
He chose you above all other.
Right.
Right. I guess the hero part coming after that.
Yes.
Right.
And you know, it just I sat and I thought a while ago. I hope that my girls really think that. I want them, when they've gotten to the age where they're faced with challenges in life, when they're aware and they're starting to experience life some more, as a teenager, as a young woman, as a mother themselves, that they would, I ask myself, am I the mother that they would want to emulate? Am I their hero? Am I everything that they would want to be as a woman? Because I have all daughters, and God willing, they will all grow up to adulthood and have their own families, become mothers themselves. And would I be the kind of mother that they would strive to be like, or would I be the mother that they would say, I want to be the opposite? I don't want to be like that. Because truth be told, not everybody has a great relationship with their mothers. Not everybody has a mother that they would like to emulate. And sometimes it's because of a personality clash. It's not always because as a mother you haven't done enough or you haven't tried your best. Sometimes it's just a difference, just a very big difference in how you're made up. Sometimes it's because of the differences in the things you experience in life, the traumas and the difficulties you may have experienced in life that has formed you and shaped your parenting style. And you think that maybe you've done the best that you can, but maybe the needs of the child that you're parenting still go unmet to an extent. And that's something that they may be unhappy with. I just want to know that I'm the kind of mother that my girls will want to be like. I know I'm not perfect, and I've had my difficult days. I've had my very difficult days. Days when I'm just like, I'm too tired to be a parent, I'm too tired to be a mommy, I don't want to do it anymore. I wouldn't change anything. I have 5 beautiful girls. I just pray that God helps me to be the best mom I can be. That they need me to be the kind of mom that they need. Because that's important. That's important. And I'm not just, pushing my way through and being the kind of parent that I feel like I need to be and not meeting their needs. Insisting on my way or no way. I don't want to be that way.
By the time you've seen this, the day probably finished, right? So, as usual, all the best for the week. Go with God. And all the mothers have some good sleep tonight. Right?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah man, so until next time neighbors, we'll see you around. Big up from me and Mouse. Bye.